Vietnam is awesome!
I want to introduce you the Vietnamese Contemporary Cuisine that is used based on Vietnamese traditional.
I really love the experience today. I have learned a lot how to grill the sea bass and how to make cassava. And I also love the experiences that I enjoyed with the class. And I have a really nice talking with the chef and cook as well.
Learning cooking from a Michelin-selected chef is a quite cool experience.
I feel like I've learned so much from the chef. The way he taught us was made it look very simple. And we can make it at home as well, because now we know how to do it, which is good.
I never really expected that we could get access to a Michelin-rated chef.
The best part of today is the cooking technique. I learned a lot of cooking technique from the Chef Cuong, and I feel very special in this kind of atmosphere. And we can exchange a lot of ideas together.